We are pleased to show you the 2018 Quattroporte. The new Maserati Quattroporte stands out from the crowd. Pininfarina's most recent creation is the ideal synthesis of luxury and sportiness and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.